This time on building terminology, the sill flashing. The sill flashing is a flashing built underneath a window sill to prevent moisture penetration into the building interior. So in a brick veneer building as seen here, the flashing actually comes attached to the window, so it's wedged between the aluminium profile and the timber reveal in the factory, stapled in there, and it just hangs down underneath the window when you install it. What the bricklayers should do is, as they lay their bricks up the side of the window, they should actually shape and embed the flashing into the actual brickwork, and then when they come along and do their sill, they should allow for any moisture. It should have basically weep holes underneath the sill, the brick sill, to allow the water to come out.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.